In this video, we dive into the essential aspects of copyright registration and protection in the Philippines. Protecting your original works, be it literature, music, art, or software, is crucial in ensuring that your creative efforts are rightfully recognized and safeguarded. We begin with an introduction to copyright itself. Copyright refers to the legal right granted to the creator of an original work, granting them exclusive control over its use and distribution. This legal framework ensures that creators can reap the benefits of their creative contributions, incentivizing further innovation and artistry. Next, we tackle the eligibility and duration of copyright protection. In the Philippines, any original work fixed in a tangible medium, from poems and novels to symphonies and digital software, can be eligible for copyright. The protection typically lasts during the creator's lifetime plus 50 years beyond their death, extending the benefits to heirs and estates. Understanding the registration process is paramount. To register your copyright, you can approach the National Library of the Philippines or other designated agencies. The process involves submitting a detailed application, including a copy of the work and pertinent details about the creator and creation date. This formal registration acts as a public record, enhancing the enforceability of your copyright. One of the most critical aspects of copyright protection is understanding and exercising your rights. Copyright grants the holder several rights, including the right to reproduce, distribute, perform, and display the work publicly. If these rights are violated, the copyright holder has the legal standing to enforce their rights, which may involve legal action against the infringer. Enforcements and dealing with infringement issues are crucial areas to master. When someone uses your work without permission, you can issue a cease and desist letter, or take further legal steps to claim damages. The Philippine government, through its judicial system, provides mechanisms to address such violations, ensuring the legal protection of your creative works. However, there are common challenges and misconceptions regarding copyright law. Many creators might believe that merely creating a work automatically provides full protection, but formal registration significantly strengthens your legal stance. Additionally, understanding the distinction between public domain and copyrighted material can prevent unintended infringements. By securing your creative works through proper copyright registration and understanding your rights, you pave the way for both personal recognition and financial benefits. With the right knowledge, you'll be well equipped to navigate the complexities of copyright law in the Philippines, ensuring your creations remain protected and respected. Finally, stay informed and connected. Thoroughly grasping copyright law helps not only in protecting your current works, but also in fostering and promoting future creativity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and guidance on copyright and intellectual property in the Philippines.